Can you withdraw money from Cryptomania? Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial, we're going to clear up some common questions. That is, can you withdraw money from Cryptomania? If you guys see here, Cryptomania is a online simulator app where it allows you to trade and enhance your trading skills. So the short answer is no. Cryptomania is a simulator, which means it's designed for learning, practicing, and experimenting with crypto trading strategies. So you won't be able to withdraw any real money from it. When you trade inside the app, the funds you see are virtual coins, not actual cryptocurrencies. And this helps you practice without any financial risk. Unlike real exchanges, there's no options to link bank accounts, no wallet transfers, and no cash out features. So while Cryptomania is a great tool to improve your trading skills, remember that the profits you see in the simulator, they stay inside the simulator. And if you want to trade with real money, you'll need to use an actual crypto exchange. And that's it. Now you know why you can't withdraw money with Cryptomania. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.